Yeah, I know that I'm the shit. Yeah, I know she was your bitch. Yeah, it's something about the wrist. Yeah, we driving fast as shit. Don't ever think about passing me. Always move with a sack on me. I always smell like gas on me.
Max here, taking over Sleepy Dub's channel. Gonna be installing a IE catch can on a Mark 6 GLI.
What the fuck you talking about? That shit's all buckled in and rusted and covered up with black permanent marker.
Goddamn black nail polish supplied.
Yo!
What?
I came up with a good joke.
What?
Here, you gotta get this dude. I think I should do it.
What?
I'm gonna do it.
What? Oh, what are you doing?
What?
I'm trying to sell it.
Well, somebody's still buy it.
What are you fucking doing?
Watch. Right? Right? So you're like, he spelled deer wrong. Or did I? Yeah? I hit the deer or I hit my wife, huh? Wise men. Thanks, deer.
It's actually like a facial impression.
Yeah.
It's like
Totally
fucking,
see the
it's like the
Wilson
eye
face.
socket and the nose and shit.
Dude,
like,
I wasn't kidding. Thanks, deer.
Alright, anyways, back to my
Yo, my Honda's got less rust in this.
my channel jacking. Alright, jacking the channels. So IE integrated engineering catch can. As you can see here. Alright, that's gonna be going on to here. Recently just got a Franken Turbo K04 install. Got some boost issues right now, but we'll be hashing those out later on, hopefully in the video. Giving you guys some pulls. Basically, I'm gonna prove to you guys that a Mark 6 Jetta can outrun a 7.5 Golf R. Alright, tune back in. Alright, so I got the PCV valve bolts. Alright, you got T30 screws all throughout the PCV. Alright, here they are. I don't know why I unplugged all my coil packs, but I'm doing the daily maintenance check. Alright, anyways, so take the coil packs out, unplug your harness, take out the T30 bolts, and go ahead and unplug this dude. Alright, cheer. Oh, it's really hard with one hand. Got that off. Alright, and then you just kind of, oh, you gotta take this one out too. The basically this connector that goes to the cold air intake, it's got to come out because you're gonna utilize that and put on the catch can. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, so here we are on the back of the Africa plate, which is this part that replaces the PCV. You can see that it's got the grooves for a for you to use your old gasket. So what we're about to do is take this one off, swap it over. There will be some minor trimming involved according to the manufacturer directions that come with this kit. So I'll keep you posted on what is needing to be trimmed. I believe there's going to be just a small cut of a section out. So again, we'll come back to that when we're there. All right. All right, hey, we're back. As you can see right here, that's where you're gonna need to be trimming. You're gonna have to cut this elbow section, all right, of this rubber gasket. So literally cut here and take this entire section off. All right, everything else lines up. Obviously you want to line it up, compare it. Okay. Okay, all right. So I made the cut. As you can still see, like right here, where I made the cut. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be like completely flush, as long as you can get that gasket to sit in there flush. I used a simple, like, just a razor blade. Can't even fucking hold the camera and look at the shit. All right.
You gotta look at it through the camera.
I know, right?
Rookie mistake number 1.
Rookie. All right, so I used that, made the cut. Put some oil around the brim, if you will, when you install. Wipe down any surfaces with dirty oil, or wipe down any surfaces that have dirty oil. And all right, on to the install.
What? Spin on it.
Trying to read some directions here.
What are those?
Which ones? Directions?
Yeah, directions. What are those?
I think it tells you like where to go.
Does it tell you how to properly remove the hedge studs and shit?
It doesn't tell you to do that. Just like it didn't tell me to only remove 2.
Oh yeah.
Full packs.
Yeah. It told you to remove all 4. I forgot.
All right. So I'll wipe down the surface. Move this box over here.
Look, it's like a fucking puzzle piece, and he's like lost.
No, I'm trying to figure out this shit right here.
Yeah. Trying to figure out how to put 2 pieces together. Lost. There can only be one idiot today. Hey, is it reuse the same bolts? That'd be so ugly.
No, it doesn't.
It's got some Allens, doesn't it? Yo, bro, that shit is way off, man. Like hardcore way off.
I'm trying to look.
Like super duper off. You don't have to modify anything? Don't you got? Oh, I thought you had directions.
I do. That's what I'm about to look at. Bolt here. Got to come out
To make way.
to make room.
Hey, brother. All right. Well, basically all you gotta do is plug this shit back in, bro.
Basically, yeah.
And then the catch can's already installed, but where does it bolt to? It looks a lot like it goes right there.
That's where it's gonna fucking go, damn it. I tell you what.
I tell you what now. I tell you what now.
Alright, we're back with this fucking bullshit install. This motherfucker right here, the boost cap, is probably the hardest thing of this whole project. There's a little O-ring on the inside that you gotta press and get past the lip of this, or on the inside of the fucking breather. Finally got it. Whatever. Also, I don't have the stock engine mount cradle that this was supposed to go in, so kind of just made do and bolted in right here. It's kind of sturdy, stiff. Took these up underneath. Alright, good to go. Let's start her up.
Wait! What? Jesus, what an awful reaction. Good thing this bitch wasn't on fire.
Codes.
It seems like it has a lot. It seems like it has a lot of torque.
Without that leak, bro, like I was spinning like through third gear and shit.
Oh, when it was good?
Yeah, I'm losing a lot of power with that shit. And it sounds like it's coming from down there, like the diverter valve area.
Max, close out your video.
All right, the cops are behind us, so.
Are they? Oh yeah, we're
gotta drive
fucking
safe.
done for, brother. You gotta get over anyways, because we're going to Volkswagen. Oh wait, we're not done with the video. Papa.
Doo-doo brown. What's the brown called?
Doo-doo brown. No, we're just.
They wanted to show me this.
Ooh. Dude, I need this in my life. Dude, this Viper Green one is sick.
I like the color.
So tight. It's hard to see it. But it's like pearl. It's like pearl.
Yeah, so you can see it.
And the Ardeon is sick, dude.